Western Ranger here to bring you the King Arthur's Castle. ProTinkerToys sells it, and I'm here to unbox it, reveal what's going on here. Let's take this out.
Yeah. So
you open this part. Comes in here, yours. Here, take this.
Yeah. Money.
This looks like. Put it over here. Let's put it on the table right there. You stand here, and then I'll give you the pieces.
Yeah.
So the pieces are pretty big, it looks like. Oh man. So this looks like nice, good, strong plastic. Don't worry. You got another same exact piece. The plastic pieces can come off pretty easy of the screw. So another one. Like, I wonder if this one's a little different. Oh yeah, it is. So we'll keep this in the bag for when we set it up. So that's the first box. Let's take this box out and see if there's anything under it. Nothing. Yeah. This looks like the hallway.
Let me see that.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
The instructions. We'll go through that. King Arthur's Castle. Looks like a clip model will stay together without glue, so you can do it without glue. And that looks like all it is. You put the instructions in this box. Definitely worth the money. We'll open this. These are the walls.
Oh, wow.
So it's this big.
Is that big?
That giant. It's for those plastic soldiers. 3/32.
Those doors.
Wow. We'll put that right there.
Yeah.
Go ahead and take them all out of the bag. You just tear it apart. So that's the castle, guys. The next videos that will come out for me will be making this castle.
Your full
Seems like
castle.
I might just do it in one go.
My castle.
So ProTinkerToys, you can get this at ProTinkerToys.com. 1/32 scale. And stay tuned for putting it together. Thank you for watching. This was the unboxing of King Arthur's Castle. Pretty standard, nothing else except for all these plastic pieces, the instructions, and just a load of plastic. I'm excited to get it open and put it together. Thank you for watching. ProTinkerToys with ProTinkerToys.